From Bridlington Paranormal Investigators.
Welcome to BPI Bridlington Paranormal Investigators. Tonight's investigation. Dave goes alone to Sewerby Hall and Gardens to use the white noise spirit box and captures the names of the two guides that help him.
Okay, we've got a few things on this. A few things, but not a lot. Bits and bobs. Yes, you can sit. I've got the thing turned down a bit as well, the volume, because you don't want it too loud. Yes, you can sit. Whether or not it's still working. Can somebody tell me if it's working or not? I heard a name called Eva. Who's Eva? Yes, we can hear you now. What? Charles, I'm told.
Spiritual meaning of the name Ava, origin, numerology, and more. Ava, with its 3 letters, is a short name with a long history. The spiritual meaning of Ava is so old it's actually unclear where it came from. Some claim that it's ancient Hebrew while others argue that it comes from Latin. There is good evidence to make both cases. The fact remains that the spiritual meaning of the name Ava is so powerful that even cultures argue where it came from. Let's dive in. The spiritual meaning of Ava and its origins. It's unsure exactly where the spiritual meaning of Ava came from, though we can be positive that it's been around for a very long time. Some claim that the name came out of the ancient Hebrew name, Hewa, which translates to live, or life. While others will tell you that it comes from Latin origin. The name Ava character analysis. The character of the name Ava is represented by responsibility, community, and balance. It is likely that Ava is a nurturing person and highly protective of the ones she cares about. But Ava's sympathetic nature doesn't end there. It extends well out into her community and even to complete strangers. Whenever Ava sees another in need, it's her inclination to help out. Ava has a natural need to help others. She loves people and enjoys getting to know them. It's likely that she's driven to understand others and put herself in their shoes. The caution here for Ava is that getting too involved may not be healthy, as it can put her own well-being at risk. Ava must remember to take care of herself first and foremost so that she can be a strong person for others. Because she is a nurturer, home life and family are most important to Ava. More so, she values peace and harmony within the home and often takes it among herself to accept blame for problems and the need to fix them. Ava can be a worrier, but that's only because she cares. Beyond being a solid nurturer and compassionate of others, Ava is an artistic name. It's possible that she is talented in music, painting, or writing.
Okay. Got a few things. Not a lot. Just heading back home now. Leaving through the front, cliff top entrance, where the road is, through the park itself, as you'll see in a moment. Turn this around. That's where we are, where them dog things are. I think they're dogs because they're not lions. Anyway, finding our way out now. See, I've got a few things. I'll have to see what we got. We are heading back home. interesting thing on a log I've just seen. Turn the camera around. Probably not while I'm recording. There we go, I had to unpause just to get that log. That's all it is, it's a log. Carved. I wonder if it's bright enough to actually film like this. Probably. Probably not, don't know. Don't know what the quality is going to be like. Yeah, it's gone dark now. The street lights are about to be appearing. But yeah, that's it. That's one of the entrances into it. There's another one of them log things here as well. Like a cherub. That's where I've got to go.